Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Market Insider Commentary on Tuesday, September the 27th. Thanks for joining us this morning. Hope you're off to a great start of your day. Looks like beautiful weather over the next 10 days. That is expected to give us some harvest progress being made, and badly do we need it to be made. Now, a lot of producers reporting some outstanding yields out there. We've heard very little reports of anything that's a disappointment. Maybe some early corn that is a little disappointment, but some of the later stuff is coming in better than expected. But certainly some areas are reporting that the field work is going to be slow because the ground is so soft after heavy rains over the last week. But corn and soybeans look to be maturing pretty rapidly. Progress yesterday showed we are behind the average pace, which is no surprise to the trade. And it just means that we have a lot of ground to make up, and we hope to do that over the next 10 days. Forecasts are for above normal temperatures and below normal precip for most of these areas, and that should be good as far as progress being made. Now, beans are a little bit higher overnight. There was a sale this morning to China, about 120,000 metric tons, and could give us a little bit of a firm opening, but rallies expected to be sold by the trade as we look for progress to be made, and that should pressure prices. Now, we found support near the 943 area. A close below it sets us up for a pretty swift drop all the way down to 907 before we find any major support once again in the soybean market. In the livestock trade, we are looking at, I think, a little bit of two-sided trade. Hogs probably going to trade a little bit better this morning. Cattle could trade higher on higher cutout values, but the cash trade looks soft this week. Show lists are carried over. We have big numbers, almost 50,000 head, larger than last year because we carried so many cattle over from last week. We didn't have a lot of sales. May mean that the packers are a little more aggressive this week, which they certainly were not last week. From a speculative standpoint, we remained short corn, soybeans, long in the hogs, and we exited bonds trade, about $2,500 profit on each contract there. So we took some nice profits there. Our trade ahead of the Brexit, or ahead of the FOMC vote, worked out to a T. Have a great day. Give us a call if you have any questions. This has been Brian Hoops for Midwest Market Solutions Market Insider Commentary. Good luck, good trading. Talk to you soon.